Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Listen and Learn. Today, I will talk about something very important for every English learner. Something more important than books, grammar, or vocabulary. And that is your mindset. If you want to speak English confidently, if you want to learn English fast, if you want to become better every single day, then you must create a strong mindset. So relax, sit comfortably, and listen to this full video. It will help you in your English journey. Let's begin. What does a strong mindset mean? A strong mindset means you believe you can learn, you trust your ability, you stay calm, and you never quit. A strong mindset says, I am capable. I can learn English step by step. I will keep going no matter what happens. It means you think positive, work with focus, and stay consistent. A strong mindset is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Why a strong mindset is important in English learning. English learning is not a one-day activity. It is a journey, a long journey with ups and downs. Some days you learn fast. Some days you struggle. Some days you feel confident. Some days you feel nervous. And this is normal. Every learner feels this. But only those who have a strong mindset continue until they reach success. A strong mindset helps you stay motivated, learn from mistakes, not give up, push yourself, become confident, and enjoy the learning process. Without a strong mindset, you will stop learning when things become difficult. But with a strong mindset, you will grow every single day. How to create a strong mindset. Now let's talk about the techniques. These steps are simple, but they are powerful when you use them daily. 1. Start your day with positive words. Every morning, say to yourself, I can learn English. I am improving. I am confident. I believe in myself. Your mind follows your words. Positive words create positive energy. 2. Accept your mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are lessons. Mistakes are part of learning. When you learn to accept mistakes, you remove fear from your mind. Say to yourself, mistakes help me grow. Mistakes make me stronger. Remember this. Every English speaker in the world made thousands of mistakes. 3. Practice every day, even for a short time. Your brain becomes stronger when you practice daily. Even 10 minutes is powerful if done consistently. Daily practice builds discipline, and discipline builds mindset. 4. Focus on progress, not perfection. You do not need perfect English. Perfect English does not exist. You only need progress. One new word, one new sentence, one new improvement. Progress is better than perfection. Progress makes you confident. 5. Create a fixed routine. Choose a time for learning English. It can be morning, evening, or night. Sit in the same place. Study with a calm mind. This routine tells your brain, it is time to learn. Let's focus. When your routine is strong, your mindset becomes strong. 6. Celebrate small victories. Small improvements matter. Clap for yourself when you learn a new word, complete a lesson, watch a video, understand a sentence. Celebrating small victories keeps your motivation high. 7. Stop comparing yourself with others. Your journey is different. Your speed is different. Your background is different. Do not compare your English with someone who learned for years. Compare only with your past self. Ask, am I better than yesterday? If the answer is yes, you are on the right path. 8. Build confidence slowly. Confidence does not come in one day. It grows little by little. Speak small sentences, then longer sentences, then speak with people. Every step builds confidence. Every step builds strength. 9. Remember your purpose. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Your reason will give you power. Your reason will guide you. Your reason will help you stay strong on difficult days. Your purpose is your fuel. 10. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English. Read English. Watch English. Speak English. When English becomes part of your daily life, your mind automatically becomes strong. Bonus: Mindset affirmations. Say these lines every day. I am an English learner. I am improving daily. I am confident. I learn with joy. I will never give up. These affirmations reprogram your brain and make your mindset powerful. So, friends, this is how you create a strong mindset for English learning. Remember, your mind is your greatest tool. If your mindset is strong, your English will grow fast. If you believe in yourself, nothing can stop you. Thank you for listening. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple English learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining.